Cleaning can feel like a never-ending task, but the right gadgets can make it much easier. I have listed the best 20 Amazon cleaning gadgets that are actually worth buying. These tools can help you save time and effort while keeping your home spotless. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Sun's My Window Cleaning Robot. Featuring a one-click start for automatic operation, dual-side water spray with atomized nozzles, and 3 intelligent cleaning paths, this window cleaning robot offers a worry-free solution for maintaining spotless windows. Its powerful suction and built-in UPS ensure safety during use, even during power failures. The package includes 6 pairs of eco-fiber cloths, and it's recommended to begin with dry cleaning, followed by wet cleaning for optimal results. SXHYF Cleaning Brush. Crafted from durable plastic and alloy materials, this tiny cleaning brush features a non-slip handle and pliable bristles, making it ideal for deep cleaning hard-to-reach areas. Its narrow head design allows easy access to gaps and corners, effectively removing dust and debris. Versatile in application, it's suitable for cleaning windowsills, tile grout lines, sinks, fans, and even car interiors, simplifying your cleaning tasks. Zarimi Electric Air Duster. Equipped with a super high-speed 33,000 RPM motor, this electric air duster delivers powerful cleaning performance, effectively removing dust and debris. Its versatile design makes it suitable for various tasks, including cleaning PCs, keyboards, cars, and more. The portable and handheld form factor ensures easy handling and transportation, making it an essential tool for both indoor and outdoor cleaning needs. Shark Steam Mop. Harnessing the power of steam, this steam mop effortlessly cleans and sanitizes sealed hard floors without the need for chemicals, eliminating 99.9% of bacteria. It heats up in just 30 seconds, providing quick and efficient cleaning across surfaces like hardwood, tile, and laminate. The lightweight design and swivel steering enhance maneuverability, allowing you to navigate around furniture and tight spaces with ease. Enboneb's Electric Spin Scrubber. Featuring a powerful 25-watt motor with 2 operating speeds, this electric spin scrubber comes with 6 detachable brush heads tailored for various cleaning tasks. Its extendable aluminum handle adjusts from 14 to 47.2 inches, enabling you to clean hard-to-reach areas without bending or kneeling. The cordless design, powered by a 3000 mAh battery, offers up to 120 minutes of continuous use after a 3.5-hour fast charge. Blitz Home Countertop Dishwasher. Offering 9 wash programs, including standard, ECO, baby care, and more, this countertop dishwasher caters to diverse cleaning needs. Its PTC hot air drying system ensures tableware is thoroughly dried and odor-free, while the 72-hour air refresh function maintains hygiene. With dual water supply modes, it provides flexibility for various environments. Hyundai Ceiling Fan Cleaner Duster. Constructed with reusable, soft, and dense polyester material, this ceiling fan duster offers strong adsorption capacity for efficient dirt removal. Its retractable rod extends from approximately 13 to 49.7 inches, allowing you to clean ceiling fans without the need for chairs or ladders. The slanted double-sided brush design ensures comprehensive cleaning by reaching all areas of the fan blades. Dream Robot Vacuum. Boasting a powerful 6,000 pascals Vormax suction with 4 customizable levels, this robot vacuum effectively tackles debris on both carpets and hardwood floors. Its floating brush adept removes embedded dust while efficiently collecting hair and debris. The spacious 570 ml dust box offers ample storage, and efficient home mapping ensures precise cleaning with editable maps and designated no-go zones. Hey-Jar Fruit and Vegetable Cleaner. Utilizing hydroxy water ion purification technology, this fruit and vegetable cleaner efficiently purifies produce by breaking down and removing harmful residues. It's suitable for a wide range of items, including fruits, vegetables, meat, and tableware. The wireless, portable design, powered by a 4,400 mAh rechargeable battery, allows for convenient use at home or while traveling. Orbit Telescoping Gutter Cleaning Wand. Featuring a telescoping pole that extends from 40 to 70 inches, this gutter cleaning wand makes hard-to-reach rain gutters easy to clean. The zinc sweeper nozzle rotates 180 degrees, allowing you to position the spray in the desired direction. Its lightweight, non-corrosive construction ensures durability, making it suitable for cleaning siding, windows, sidewalks, and more. EKO Motion Sensor Trash Can. Experience seamless lid operation with hands-free automatic opening and closing, enhancing hygiene and convenience. The anti-fingerprint stainless steel finish ensures a clean, smudge-free exterior, maintaining a stylish appearance. Crafted with durable stainless steel, the sleek design complements any home decor. Its no-liner design offers 25% more capacity for waste disposal. Powered by alkaline batteries, it operates up to 8 months, promoting eco-friendliness and cost savings. Gizmos Vacuum Automatic Dustpan instantly eliminates 100% of dust, hair, and debris for efficient cleaning. A 5-layer high-efficiency filter traps airborne particles, returning clean air to your environment. The 4-layer pre-motor filter prevents hair and debris from reaching the motor, extending the vacuum's lifespan. 3 user-friendly modes, auto-sensing, tap, and manual, cater to various cleaning needs. Dual clean modes allow for floor cleaning and handheld nozzle use on furniture and crevices. Designed to operate quietly, it ensures a disturbance-free experience for both children and pets. Laudier Undermount Kitchen Sink. Constructed from dent-resistant T304 stainless steel in TRU16 real 16 gauge, offering exceptional strength and durability. The smart lower divider provides the spaciousness of a single basin with the functionality of a double basin, allowing washing of large items over both bowls without countertop overflow. Rust-resistant with a brushed finish that maintains its luster over time. Extra thick pads absorb noise and vibration, while full coating prevents condensation damage. Engineered with a slightly sloped bottom for efficient draining, preventing water pooling. OXO Soap Dispensing Dish Brush. Equipped with a drip-free valve that holds dish soap in the handle until the button is pressed, releasing the desired amount. Durable nylon bristles effectively scrub away baked-on food and are safe for non-stick cookware. The brush head can be replaced with sponge or scrub heads for versatile cleaning. Features a soft, comfortable, non-slip grip, ensuring secure handling even when wet. Includes a built-in scraper on the reverse side for removing stubborn, baked-on residues. YFUIF Damp Clean Duster Sponge. Enhanced groove design increases dust absorption efficiency. The wet cleaning and dust removal sponge boasts strong suction and water absorption. When fully soaked, it effortlessly removes large amounts of dust without leaving traces or causing dust to fly. Perfectly fits into gaps, trapping hair, oil stains, dust, and debris within the sponge groove for an efficient cleaning process. Soft enough to reach difficult areas like ceiling fans, blinds, baseboards, and more, ensuring thorough cleaning. Sullins Pan Scraper. Combines the functionality of a pan scraper, bowl scraper, and dough scraper, making it an essential kitchen accessory. Ideal for cleaning cast iron cookware, including skillets and pizza dishes, enhancing the cast iron cooking experience. Durable construction with hard plastic ensures longevity and reliability for various culinary tasks. Versatile applications extend to Dutch oven accessories and dish pans, catering to diverse kitchen needs. Compact design allows for easy storage and accessibility. Joseph Blade Brush Knife. Features a unique wraparound design that cleans both sides of a knife simultaneously, reducing the risk of injury. Opposed bristles provide effective cleaning, reaching into grooves and serrations. Equipped with a textured hand grip for secure and comfortable handling during use. Compact and easy to store, making it a practical addition to any kitchen. Suitable for various cutlery, including knives and utensils, ensuring thorough cleaning. Yukata Sponge Mop. Features an absorbent, quick-drying sponge with enhanced breathability. Adjustable iron pole extends from 42.5 to 52 inches, accommodating various user heights and cleaning tasks. Equipped with a water squeegee to efficiently remove dirt and water, streamlining the cleaning process. Includes 2 sponge heads for extended usability. Designed for easy sponge head installation and removal, ensuring user convenience. Fontop Cup Washer for Sink. Equipped with 9 high-pressure jets and an automatic rotating water flow, it thoroughly rinses residue from cups in seconds. Accommodates drinkware with opening diameters from 0.6 to 4.2 inches, including wine glasses, baby bottles, and coffee mugs. Features a professional check valve for backflow protection and water conservation, with an option to remove for stronger water pressure. Constructed with a heavy-duty SUS304 stainless steel base and thickened silicone pads to prevent slipping and reduce the risk of cup damage. Includes premium accessories like a 9/16" adapter T and SUS304 braided hose for easy installation. Chemical Guys Microfiber Wash Mitt. Made with premium 70/30ths blended microfiber for extra soft, scratchless cleaning and wiping. Extra plush design holds ample soap and water, drenching the car in thick foaming suds for a swirl-free wash. Large, dense fibers trap dirt and grime, preventing scratches on sensitive paintwork. Durable construction ensures longevity, machine washable for easy maintenance. Suitable for all exterior surfaces, including paint, glass, and wheels, enhancing the car washing experience. Cleaning just got a whole lot easier. These 20 genius Amazon cleaning gadgets are here to save you time, effort, and frustration, making your home sparkle with minimal hassle. Whether you're tackling stubborn stains, dust, or everyday messes, these smart tools are definitely worth the investment. Want to grab these game-changing gadgets at the best prices? Check out the links in the description for the latest deals. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow cleaning enthusiasts, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content, tips, and reviews.